Hello, friends, and welcome to CareersTalk. My name is Sunand Sridhar. I'm a senior consultant based in Netherlands. And in CareersTalk, we invite various industry leaders, experienced people to share their valuable experience with all of us. And today we are going to discuss on the topic top jobs of the future for 2030 and beyond. And to help us with this important discussion, we have Sridhar with us. Friends, we are doing a series with Sridhar on various important topics. So if you haven't seen the past session, the link is in the description box. Please check them out later. So Sridhar is having over 33 years of IT experience. He brings a rich background in the project management, IT strategy, and leadership, having worked with global giants like Microsoft and IBM. And friends, if you're new here, please do subscribe to our channel Careers Talk and don't forget to hit like. Your one like is a big motivation for all of our team members. So with this, let's welcome Sridhar. Sridhar, over to you.
Hi, hello. Thanks, Sunand. Thank you very much. Nice to see you again. Okay, great. Hello, viewers. Nice to see you all. So today the point what Sunanda has given is to talk about the top IT jobs in the next coming years, 10 years or like that. As we all know that the whole world is talking about digital transformation and the various the growth in the areas of digital areas and panorama. So as we all know, the first one you all know the buzzwords here. The first buzzword is AI and followed by IoT, then cloud computing, and so on and so forth. Even some time back, some what is it called, digital coin, bitcoins, and other things was there. But however, it is not gone to that level of addition. So, but other areas are really good. Now we are talking about the technologies, but when it comes to the job, I'll just to give you an eye opener on one of the point here with the experience what we are seeing in the industry. Today, the software is the major component which is really giving a lot of revenue to the world market or world economy. When we talk about the software, we know that there is a system software and there is an application software. And then now for time being, let us keep system software aside. Let us talk about the application softwares like your SAP, your Microsoft Office, etc., etc. Now just imagine the reason why I'm giving you this background is you'll really easily understand what could be the top jobs after this explanation. So these products which have been developed for over a particular number of years, SAP has developed for over of 7 to 10 years or like that. And then after that, they have stabilized this project with various versions. Similarly, is Microsoft Office with the 2000, 2003, 2010 and XP or whatever. After that, this one, Microsoft Office 365, now Microsoft 365, lot of advancement in that. Now see, all these products, whether it is a SaaS model or whether it is a box model, what is the licenses you buy, these products now are facing a challenge. They have put a lot of money on that. They have built their entire empire of software using these products, are selling these products, and it is doing really a great job. But the challenge is AI. Every area of our operation is being addressed by AI. When AI is come, obviously when it is for the end user, but first thing is how it will come to the end user through these products only. So what I want to tell you in a nutshell is AI has to be embedded or incorporated in these products. Now you see from the beginning or the organizations who are developing these applications, they have to think on what areas, in what architectural level they have to incorporate these AI components, algorithms and other things to make it better for you. And heavy competition is going on between all these products. So my first point is product manager. Product manager is going to get the top market challenges in getting a job tomorrow for all of you. So if you are a good product manager with a AI background, you are bound to get a beautiful opportunities, and I think, trust me. Institutions like ISB in India, IAM, they are promoting product management as topics and courses a lot. I suggest that you seriously review that. That is one thing. Now, the second eye opener for you is that For all the, see, AI is a very, to be very frank, very generic term. Please don't get bogged up with AI. To just make it very simple, there are two things. One is AI for the people who wants to manufacture or develop AI. The other person is the people who has to use the AI. We are all the users. Second, we are not going to develop the AI. It's very difficult. Developing the rule engines, developing the neuro, this one, and algorithms. That's not our job. Our job is to just work with the role what we are playing, with the this one what we are playing with the AI. That is called Gen AI. So for you, it is Gen AI. So my answer to the second point is like whichever the job you are doing, you incorporate or you learn Gen AI and try to use that in your job, you are good to go. But if you ask me what are all the various areas where you want to really focus upon, see, uh, again, I do not want to deviate the subject, but it is essential for you to know why you want to look for great jobs in the future. What is the purpose? Money or satisfaction or job security? All the three will not be there. Let me assure that. Because besides money, you will get bonus. That is BP, sugar, and other things. Besides this one, you will get tension because it is AI. It is not going to leave you. It is going to be a headache. So like that. But however, since you people are expecting me to tell, let me tell you like this. Number one, I don't know. Data scientists are the number one. Again, besides the one which I told you, the data scientist is another great position. Number three, cloud computing. Yes, not cloud storage, cloud computing professionals like AWS experts and the engineers and so on. You go into that area, you will have a lot of future in that area. The third one is IoT. IoT is slowly picking up. You take automobiles, driverless cars, and so on and so forth is coming. House automation is coming. So IoT is going to really go crazy in the coming this one. And obviously the big data warehouse, data lakes, and other things, that experts, they are going to come. And the next one is drone technologies. Please understand, in India also, of course, abroad, you have drones to deliver your, Amazon is using drones, Domino is using drones. Similarly, India is also coming out with the DGCA approvals and other things. Drone technology is another one area which is going to. Besides all these 4 or 5 which we discussed, there are so many. There are so many. Maybe besides that, I can share it with you later also. Maybe if you are interested through this one in the next video, I'll share it with you. But these are the top 4 or 5 this one which are really going to be emerging. This one emerging. But you must be noticing that I am not spelling 2 words. You must be waiting for it. Machine learning and deep learning. Not for us. Please, as I told you initially, that's what I said. System software and application software. We are all application people. If you are a systems person developing an operating system or drivers, linkers, loaders, that sort of system applications, then machine learning and this one also is important. Deep learning is important for a, what is it called, a data scientist and so on. So it all depends how you really look at it. But if these things are one side of the game, the other side of the game is that whichever the domain you are an expert, as a subject matter expert, you are a police officer, you are a this one scientist, you are a tester, you are a developer, you try to incorporate Gen AI in that, you will procure, you will have a best job, growth career in your future. That's what I feel it. Hope you got the this one for me. Over to you, Sunand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sridhar. So just want to add a couple of small things here and there. So things which Sridhar already mentioned, I don't want to repeat, but I think there are, as things will grow in this space, so this cybersecurity experts is always in demand. So that has to be there. So if you are into all these kind of roles like networking and ethical hacking and all this type of things, security architecture and all, so this is something which you can also pursue. Apart from that, nowadays, not sure about Asia, but in Europe, this sustainability expert thing is very picking up very fast. That is more on a environmental sustainability, it's on a renewable energy, on environmental science, or sustainable urban planning. So all these things are, I think, which is very picking up. And even I saw like couple of good companies in India which are listed in share market. They are just skyrocket. I think that's going to be the next theme for
Yeah.
future. Apart from that, there is a few things which are also happening on a virtual reality VR and on augmented reality AR. So if you are into that kind of thing, that's something also which you can pick in the future. And for future, there is one more thing which is picking up quite well, is something called ethical technology advocates. So as technology become more embedded in our daily life, there will be a need for a professionals who can address all these ethical issues related to AI, data privacy, and digital rights and all these things. So these are the upcoming things which not even many people are aware about, and they're not even talking about all those things. Even the space exploration engineers are also in demand. So you might have heard about Tesla commentary and all. So all these things are happening in USA, a little bit in Europe as well, because I have a couple of friends out there. So if anyhow you will get into these kind of projects somehow, I don't know, but because we are talking about 2030 vision, like next 6 to 10 years, so that's, I just want to add these important things. A lot of things are happening on quantum computing nowadays. So yeah, these are the few important roles or skills which you can pick in the future, Sridhar.
Yeah, one second. Yeah, that's absolutely true, Sunanda. And another point to just add to that, the very importantly, one has to really understand which domain they are into.
Correct.
Domain is very important. You take IT as one set of domain, whatever you said will come into picture. Like, you said about the virtual reality or the augmented reality or the space, this one, these are all something. But if you are really a domain expert, say, for example, if you are in FMCG organization, how exactly you can just think about virtual reality instead of going, or say today we are buying Amazon products and everything, how you can really look at the stock, virtual stock in front of you. You can walk
So
into this one, retail shop, look at what exactly you want, the groceries and everything, buy it. So virtual reality, augmented reality, these are all the things. Now, another point why I'm emphasizing on domain is health. See, we have been talking about technology driven, what is it called as carriers. That's okay, that is good, but please think about the other things also. Domain driven jobs is very, very powerful. The reason why I said that is domain or the business, whichever you call, they are the seniors, or they are the people under which IT will come into picture. IT is a service provider to a domain,
true.
right? So whatever you develop, it has to go and address a business purpose, business domain, business value. So domain is important. Having said that, the top three domains I'm going to tell you. The first domain is the healthcare domain. Please take a word of it. Any person who wants to get into IT and who wants to grow up like a scrum master or a project manager or something, please to develop your skills and other things as to understand the healthcare domain. For example, payers, providers, TPAs, corporates, how the systems get connected there, how AI will get connected there, all that. That is one thing. The next domain is automobile domain. Very, very upcoming domain. I don't know whether tomorrow they will come out with the flying cars and other things.
Yeah, it is already in
Yeah,
progress.
already driverless
EV and
car is coming. So please think about it. IoT will play a very pivotal role there. And similarly, is the third one is the media domain. Media is growing crazy. Today, the whole world is moving towards OTT, and theaters have shut down, most of the theaters. And tomorrow, we don't know what will happen, probably. Visually, you can see the big screens and other things. I don't know. I could not expect also. So these are all the 3 or 4 areas, domains, which are really popping up a lot. So think about that, how you can develop your careers with your knowledge in that particular domain area, how you can contribute. Technology is only the skill what you need to play, but you can do wonders in other areas also. That's all. Thanks a lot, Suman. Thank you.
thank you, Sridhar. I think we are good for this session.
Yeah.
So thank you, Sridhar, for sharing your experience with all of us. And as I always say, friends, show your support, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you, everyone. See you in our next session very soon. Thank you, Sridhar.
Bye-bye.
Bye.